Today I'm going to show you how to insulate a window dryer vent. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the window dryer vent and make sure that both side panels are fully collapsed. And we're going to put it into the window track, slide it over, make sure it's all the way over. And we're going to take our tape measure and we're going to get a measurement from the window track to the side panel. Be as accurate as you can because this is going to matter for the insulation. Ours is 7 7/8. Now we're going to take the 7 7/8 measurement and we're going to split it between both panels. We're going to take our tape measure, bring the panel out to 3 15/16. So the next step is we're going to make sure that the duct outlet is completely round. Sometimes it's a little skewed or it's a little ovaled. We don't want it to be ovaled or skewed. So make sure that it's perfectly round. Once it is round, and you can take it and you can put it on the center it onto the foam insulation. And then you're going to put pressure on both sides at the same time. Work back and forth like this. And then we're going to move it back and forth like this. And you can take it off and you have a perfect round where you need to cut. Now we're going to take the collar and we're going to put it through the hole you just made. Stuff it in there. And you're going to bring it to the edge of a bench, table, whatever allows you to get this flush so you can put an imprint on it. So I'm going to push on all 3 sides. You don't have to push too much, but put a little weight on it, you know. Turn it over, hit this edge. And we're going to take this out of here. There should be a perfect imprint. So now we're going to cut to the inside of the imprint line on all 4 sides. I'm going to use a straight edge, and I suggest you do too because it makes it a lot easier. You don't need a special ruler, you don't need any special straight edge, just anything that has a straight edge will work. I'm just using a chunk of metal. So here's the fun part. Now that we have the foam board cut to size and cleaned up, we can take the window vent, place it facing down with the hood facing down, the collar facing you. And we're going to take the foam board, we're going to start it onto the collar, and then we're going to pull out the side panels. Just makes it a little easier. And then you're going to put pressure evenly across the foam board until it's fully seated. Collapse the side panels, and now you have a window dryer vent insulated with XPS foam board insulation, and you should be pretty pumped now at this point.